Umentri berepet yakatran kakoi kakia u James PK Sangma hadin ke kabinet ulai thu baka Sorkar Jylla Meghalaya ban Pynkiew ya ka Khajna Petrol ba diesel hapok ka Jylla kador jong ka petrol haberni hat kalong khandai pesan tingka shphonaya hasilong pat kador jong ka petrol kalong khandai punriu tingka prapulai naya kador jong ka diesel pat kalong prapulai tingka sanphonaya bat hasilong pat kalong prapasau tingka nyapu anaya.
Whenever the rates of Assam are changed, commensurate to that, government of Meghalaya also revises its rates of petrol and diesel to take advantage of the price differential. And today, as you all know, the present rate of tax for petrol is 13.5% or rupees 11 per litre, whichever is higher. So this has been revised to 13.5% or rupees 12.50 per litre, whichever is higher. And for diesel, the present rate right now of tax is 5% or rupees 4 per litre, whichever is higher. This has been revised to 5% or rupees 5.50 per litre, whichever is higher. So basically, in very simple terms, the effect of this is basically that presently, if we look at the rate of the retail sales price of petrol in Byrnihat right now is rupees 95.10, and now there will be there will be an increase of rupees 1.92. So that, sorry, there will be a difference of rupees 1.92 between between Assam and between Meghalaya. So it is now going to be 95.10 in Byrnihat and 96.83 in Shillong. This is petrol. And for diesel, the new RSP, that is the retail sales price, is going to be 83.50 in Byrnihat and rupees 84.72 in Shillong. And the difference basically would be in Byrnihat rupees 1.44 for diesel and rupees 0.22 in Shillong for diesel.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.